Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Ainurido and I am the team leader of this project. Our innovation is called Sidaya, a smart charging locker with fingerprint security specially designed for public space. Allow me to introduce my talent teams who have been instrumental in making Sidaya a reality. The first member is Zaidan Ramadan, the second member is Luis Romero Gultom, the third member is Lastri UR Panjaitan. In today's presentation, we will guide you on how Sidaya meets the growing need for a secure and easily accessible mobile charging solution. We will discuss its feature, user-friendly interface, and the benefit it offered to the public. Now I will hand over this presentation to my team who will continue with the next part.
Okay, thank you. I will explain background our project. In today's digital era, smartphones have become an essential part of, of our daily life. However, limited battery life often becomes a problem, especially in public areas where charging facilities are scarce or not secure. In Batam City, which has high daily mobility, places like ports and shopping centers still lack sufficient and safe charging options. To solve this issue, we developed Sidaya, a secure and accessible public smartphone charging station. Sidaya uses a fingerprint-based authentication system to ensure device safety. It also supports multiple types of charging cables, including USB Type-C, Lightning, and micro USB, making it compatible with almost all smartphones used today. With Sidaya, users can charge their device safely and confidently while on the go, helping them stay connected without worrying about running out of battery or losing their phones in public space.
Okay. Next is the timeline progress. Number one is job desk division. The team began the project by assigning tasks and responsibility to each member. Number two is making lesson plan RAB. The team focused on preparing the lesson plan RPP and budget plan RAB. And number three is electrical. The electrical components were developed and introduced. And number four is mechanical. Mechanical parts were designed and assembled in parallel with the electrical work. Number five is user interface. The user interface was developed from the third to sixth week. And number six is program. The software or coding part of the project was carried out between weeks 3 and 7. Next. And next is specification. The main material has hollow iron and acrylic. For overall dimension, we have height 160 centimeter and weight 37 centimeter. And dimension of each locker, we have height 10 centimeter, weight 15 centimeter, and depth 22 centimeter. For the capacity, we have 5 stack and 2 columns. For overall, we have 10 locker in total. And the electrical and security system, we use Arduino Mega R3 built in IoT Wi-Fi ESP as a control center electronic and security system. And next is Next-Gen Intelligence as the fingerprint environment and locker selection menu. And next is fingerprint sensor as access authentication. And last, LED as an indicator of the set of the locker.
Now let me continue by presenting the graphical user interface or GUI of Sidaya. This interface runs on a next-gen touchscreen display used for fingerprint registration and locker selection. We designed the interface to be intuitive and user-friendly. Even for first-time user, from the screen, user can register their fingerprint and choose an available locker. The first screen you see here is the main start menu in iMac 1. User simply press the lanjut button to process. After that, they are directed to the main menu in iMac 2, where three options are available. Daftar to register a new fingerprint, masuk to login with a register fingerprint, and ambil to retrieve the phone after charging. If the user select daftar, the system will go to registration screen in iMac 3 where the user can enter their name, register their fingerprint. After the fingerprint is successfully registered, the user can press kembali to return to the main menu in iMac 2. From there, the user continue by pressing masuk and they are taken to the verification screen in iMac 4 where they scan the fingerprint that was registered earlier. After successful verification, press the lanjut button, bring the user to the locker selection screen in iMac 5. There are 10 lockers shown on the screen. The user select an available locker, Act locker 1, and then press lanjut to do continue. The next, allow the locker to select the charging duration, either 1 hour or 2 hour. After selection, the system active the charging locker. Finally, when the user want to retrieve their phone, they go back to the main menu in iMac 2 and press ambil, which leads to the final verification screen in iMac 7. The users scan their fingerprint again to unlock the locker and collect the pair's security. The entire process is designed to be secure, user-friendly, and accessible for the public.
Here I will explain the electrical design parts of the smart charging locker. Number one is power plug. Power plug works for the power for the whole system. Number two is power supply. Power supply changes 220 volt to 12 volt for the system. Number three is buck converter. Buck converter works for make 5 volt from 12 volt for small device. Number four is ESP. ESP works for the brain of the system. It controls everything. Number five is Next-Gen LCD. Next-Gen LCD works for a touchscreen for the user to press and see information. Number six is fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor works for scans the user finger to check identity. Number seven is relay. Relay turns on and turn off the lock and charger power. Number eight is USB charger. USB charger works for used to charge the phone inside the locker. Number nine is phone. User can put their phone inside to be charged safely. Number 11 is silent lock. Silent lock or open the locker when allowed. And the last part is LED light. LED light works for so if the locker is in use. Okay, maybe that's can all I say. Thank you.
Okay, to conclude, we believe the Sidaya system with its intuitive GUI and robust fingerprint security offer a truly secure and user-friendly solution for public phone charging. Our goal was to create a system that is not only accessible but also entails confidence in this user. We are confident that Sidaya can significantly enhance convenience and safety for individuals needing to charge their phone in public space. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.